Okay, so you're looking to set up a Vagaro membership for your business. But wait, before we dive into the technical details, let's talk about why you should even bother. Why memberships matter. Think of memberships as your business's VIP club. They're a way to reward your loyal customers, boost your revenue, and create a sense of community around your brand. Here's the deal. Increased recurring income. Memberships provide a steady stream of revenue, making your cash flow more predictable. Enhanced customer loyalty. Members feel valued and connected to your brand, increasing their likelihood of returning and recommending your services to others. Exclusive perks and discounts. Offer members exclusive deals, discounts, or access to special events to incentivize them to join and stay active. So, how do you set up a Vagaro membership? Alright, now that we're on the same page, let's get down to business. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up a Vagaro membership. Log in to your Vagaro account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a free account first. Go to Settings. Click on the Settings tab in the top navigation bar. Select Things We Sell. Under the Things We Sell section, click on Memberships. Create a new membership. Click on the New Membership button. Enter membership details. Fill out the required information, such as membership name, description, price, and payment frequency. Add products or services. Decide which products or services you want to include in your membership. You can offer discounts or unlimited access to certain items. Set up auto-renewal, optional. If you want your memberships to renew automatically, enable the auto-renewal option. Save your membership. Click on the Save button to finalize your membership. Additional tips. Consider different membership tiers. Offer multiple membership levels with varying benefits to cater to different customer needs and budgets. Promote your memberships. Let your customers know about your new membership options through your website, social media, email newsletters, and in-person promotions. Track your membership performance. Regularly monitor your membership metrics, such as sign-ups, cancellations, and revenue, to evaluate the success of your program and make necessary adjustments. Setting up a Vagaro membership is a great way to enhance your business and provide value to your customers. By following these simple steps and leveraging the power of memberships, you can boost your revenue, increase customer loyalty, and create a thriving community around your brand. So what are you waiting for? Start creating your own membership program today and watch your business grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.